Hi everyone, I am Shweta. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Navya Classes. Today we will see the class 9 Atom and Molecules. The topic name is molecular mass. In the previous video we have saw the how to write the chemical formula. In that video we have seen how the chemical formulas were written. The first we are taking the metal name, then we are taking the non-metals name. Here we will take the molecular mass. How we will write the molecular mass? Here I have drawn one chart, and in that chart I am showing the different elements and their atomic masses. Atomic mass we are representing with U. Okay, U means unified mass. Okay, किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल का अगर हमको निकालना होता है मॉलिक्यूलर मास, जैसे H2, here one oxygen is there and 2 hydrogen is there. For that we have to take out the molecular mass. 1 oxygen, it means 16 U plus and 2 hydrogen. 2 into 1 unified mass. Now 16 plus 2 into 1, 2, 16 plus 2, 18 unified mass. This is the H2O molecular mass. We are taking the help of the atomic mass to write the molecular mass. Now we will see few examples. CO2. जैसे जैसे हम लोग एग्जाम्पल्स को करते जाते हैं चीज़ें क्लियर होती जाती हैं, इसलिए 2, 3, 4 एग्जाम्पल्स देख लेने से अच्छा हो जाएगा. CO2. Here's carbon how many numbers of carbon? 1. And how many numbers of oxygen? 2. Okay. Now we will take out the molecular mass of the carbon and oxygen. Carbon, the atomic mass is 12 U plus, and the how many numbers of oxygen? 2. 16 2 U. Okay. Now 12 plus 16 2s are 32, 2 to 44 U. CO2 का molecular mass कितना होगा? 45 unified mass. Okay. Now we will see one more example. CH4, methane. This is the third example. How many numbers of carbon? 1. And how many numbers of hydrogen? 4. Now carbon 12 plus hydrogen 1. 4 hydrogens and 1. We will multiply with this. 12 plus 4 into 1, 1. 4 into 1, 4. 12 plus 4, 16. It means the methane molecular mass is 16 unified mass. Now we will see one more example. NH3, ammonia. How many numbers of nitrogen? 1, and hydrogen is 3. Okay. Now nitrogen atomic mass is 14 plus, and hydrogen atomic mass is 1, and number of hydrogen is 3. Okay. 14 plus 3 into 1, 3. 14 plus 3, 17. Unified mass is the molecular mass of the NH3. Now in our mind one more question came, why we are writing the formula mass? Formula mass हम लोग क्यों लिखते हैं? मॉलिकुलर मास तो सिंपल हम लोग कंपाउंड का देखें, NH3 का देखें, CO2 का देखें एंड H2O का देखें. फॉर्मूला मास, व्हाई दिस नीड केम टू राइट डाउन द फॉर्मूला मास? जैसे NaCl जो है, NaCl हम लोग देखते हैं तो NaCl एक आयनिक कंपाउंड है, वो एक इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्ड बनाता है, इंडिविजुअल मॉलिक्यूल के वो रूप में नहीं होता है. H2O कैसे? एक H2O हमें मिल सकता है, लेकिन NaCl कभी भी एक नहीं होता है, वो एक क्रिस्टल के फॉर्म में होता है, बिकॉज दे हैविंग द वेरी लार्ज अट्रैक्शन ऑफ फोर्सेस for that in because of the attraction forces it makes a crystal like this. This is always in the crystal form, not in the molecule form. This always in the crystal form. तो क्रिस्टल का मॉलिक्यूलर मास कैसे निकालेंगे? इस क्रिस्टल के अंदर से इसमें Na का रेशियो कितना होगा और Cl का रेशियो कितना होगा, तब इसके लिए हम लोग को फॉर्मूला मास की ज़रूरत पड़ी, नहीं तो हम लोग मॉलिक्यूलर मास से काम हो जा रहा था। लेकिन जो NaCl होता है वो एक आयनिक बॉन्ड फॉर्म बंद करता है, जो इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्ड होता है, और उनके बीच में बहुत ही ज़्यादा अट्रैक्शन फोर्सेस होते हैं। अट्रैक्शन फोर्सेस होने की वजह से वो एक क्रिस्टल फॉर्म करता है, वो कभी भी इंडिविजुअल फॉर्म में नहीं होता है। एज लाइक सिमिलर द CO2, NH3, H2, द NaCl never be in the individual form. That's why we need the take out the formula mass. The formula mass is little similar or completely similar, we can say that, but we are writing the formula mass because we are taking out the ratio of the ions. Na, whatever the elements are there, the Na का हम लोग उसका रेशियो निकालेंगे और Cl का रेशियो कितना रेशियो में वो उस क्रिस्टल में है, NaCl. How many number of Na? Only one. Here we have sodium 21 and we have Cl also 1. Now we will write the formula mass, not the molecular mass. Formula mass. Okay. 20 sodium 23 U plus chlorine 35.5 U. Okay, now we will add these two. 58.5 unified mass. Now we can conclude that we will see one more example. After that we can conclude how we have written the molecular mass and the formula mass. MgCl2. MgCl2 also in the crystalline form, not in the individual form. MgCl2. Here Mg is only 1 and Cl is 2. The formula mass of Mg 24. This is very simple to remember this atomic mass. This atomic mass is completely just double to the atomic numbers. Very few elements were different with the atomic number. 24 plus chlorine 2. Chlorine 35.5. Okay, 24 plus. Now we will multiply this 5 to the 10, 0, 1. 71.0. 95U. 95U. The formula mass of the MgCl2 is the 95 unified mass. And this is very simple to remember. This atomic mass is whatever the number of atomic number, does double the atomic mass. Okay. Thank you class. Have a good day.